Started. Let's go over some sight words. I'm going to call on some friends, or some friends can volunteer and I will call on you to tell me what these words are. Alice, what word is that? Cause, right, good. Remember, and the cause and the effect, and you had to do that with your Dragons Love Tacos yesterday. The little boy didn't see the label on the jar, so then there were jalapenos inside of the salsa. So the cause was he didn't see the label on the jar, and then the effect was the dragons ate the spicy salsa. Then the cause was the dragons ate the spicy salsa, so the effect was they started to breathe fire. Okay. Cause they started to breathe fire, the effect was they burnt the kid's house down. And because they burnt the kid's house down, they helped him rebuild it. That was the effect. All of those are causes and effects. Who could tell me what this word is? Gauge. Live. Right, remember, I live on the planet Earth. What if I lived on Jupiter? And you guys just didn't know. This is my home office on Jupiter. No. Okay, what word is this? George. Differ. Good. So, remember, this is a good word. This is a good example of differ. So I could say that my opinion about whether I'd rather be a giraffe or a lion could differ from George's opinion. So, George, what kind of animal did you want to be?
Giraffe.
A giraffe, right. Well, then technically we're the same because I'd want to be a giraffe too. Who wanted to be a lion? Who can I remember who wanted to be a lion? Gage wanted to be a lion. That's right. So, my opinion, I would want to be a giraffe, differs from Gage's because Gage would want to be a lion. So, it's just another word for kind of like different. And who could tell me what this word is? Emmy, go for it, girl. Stand, good. So, stand, I could say that I stand in the front of my classroom to teach. I could say, okay, on the count of 3, everyone stand up in 3, 2, 1. Yo, Bristol, stand up, girl. I see you. Are you eating breakfast? All right, you can sit down in 3, 2, 1. Don't eat your pencil as breakfast. That would be sad. You'd get wood shavings in your stomach. So stand. Good. That's the fakest laugh ever, George. I watched you. You're at the top of my screen today. Okay. So, for phonics, we have been talking about, we talked about this Monday and Tuesday. When the boot twin steals the brother's boots, he teases him and says, "Ew, I got your boots." For words like cool, broom, your favorite, oos, moose, and scoot. And I know there's a whole bunch of other words there. Then yesterday, I introduced to you this other OO pattern, and I know it's really difficult, and something we talked about with some friends in intervention was that how could these two words, which have the same endings, right? How could these two words with the same endings sound different? So like this is boot, but this is foot. Well, why? I don't have a reason why. It's just because the English language is, and they wanted to trick us. So we have to just learn how to say these words correctly. So, we got boot over here, and we got foot over here. So we have a bunch of different words with this OO pattern. When the boot twin takes the foot twin's boots, And then the foot twin accidentally falls into a puddle. He cries out, "Oh, just look at my foot!" For words like book. Oh, I don't have it up there yet. For words like look, hood, good, foot, and cook. Okay, so that's our oh when he falls in the puddle. And he says, "Oh, just look at my foot." Okay, for some more words. So, this word is book. Book. Can you all say book? Can you all say book? Good. This word is wood. Wood. Can you all say wood? Wood. This word is stood. Stood. Good. This word is shook. This word is brook. It's like a little stream. Brook. Okay. Looking. Good. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is I would like you to write down, I'm going to put some more of these words up here. I would like you to write down 3 words with the pattern. Let me grab that. That's over here. So I'd like you to write down 3 words with the pattern, okay? And when you're finished, and write as many as you can. If you can't think of more than, if you can think of more than 3, go ahead and write them down. I'd like you to write down 3 words. Oop, I'm catching some feedback. I'd like you to write down 3 words with the pattern. When you're finished, go ahead and give me your best squishy face.
So not ones that have ooh, but
Yeah, not words that have ooh. I only want words that have Okay?
Does cool count as one?
So cool is an ooh. Cool. See? Over here. So this is So like, I used my axe to chop the wood near the brook where I stood. I shook the net to see if I had caught any fish to cook. I put up my hood because it started to rain. So I went inside to read my favorite book, the foot book. So you're writing words that have the sound. I apologize. All of a sudden my nose just started to act up. What's up, nose? When you got three words, go ahead and give me your best squishy face. Oh, that is a good squishy face. Okay. Mostrami il tuo lavoro in 3, 2, 1. Good. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, is your eraser magnetic? That's cool. So I see some that friends don't have up there. Okay. Took. Let's see what else. Ooh, I got would. Okay. Broom would be for ooh over here. Broom. Ooh, can't really see. Broom. Same thing for, I think I saw another one. Toot. Toot. Boom would be over here too. So we're looking for this I saw foot. I saw cook. What else? Stood book. So shoot. So shoot would be over here. Shoot. Okay. Shoot would be over there. Hook. Did I write down hook yet? No. Hook. I saw this one. Good. Okay, let's see.
I have a magnetic eraser just like George.
Oh, cool.
With the little ruffles.
Very cool. No, roof isn't one. That says roof. Oh, here's one. Tool. No, cool. Wool. I think wool, how you say wool, is more than ooh. Wool. You don't really say wool. You say it more like wool. Wool, but tool, cool. I guess those could kind of be that way though, because they do kind of combine a little bit. What else? I have foot. I have cook. Boop. Boop is boop. Boop. Alright, so I'm going to stop there. We got took, wood, wool, foot, cook, hook, and good. So today what you're going to have to do for your phonics activity is you're going to listen to that rainbow video, write the words, and write the words in a sentence. Pretty much the same thing you did Tuesday, but with the ooh words. Today you're going to do it with the words. Then in the recorded lesson tomorrow, you guys got to make sure you watch that recorded lesson. Because we're going to talk about you saying okay? Like for fool and fool at the end of words, but also words like put. So this you says like put, push, pull, okay? So it says a little bit of different words. Fool says that ooh, bush, bull, pushed. Okay, and I'll go over these more in the recorded lesson. Pooling and pooled. Okay, I'll go over these more in the recorded lesson, but make sure you watch that tomorrow. Okay. That goes there. These go here. And this goes here. Okay. Now, yesterday we read the story Dragons Love Tacos. Now, what is the one thing that dragons don't like? Who could raise their hand and tell me? What's the one thing dragons don't like? Bristol?
Spicy salsa.
They don't like spicy salsa. Okay? So that's a detail about dragons. They don't like spicy salsa, right? Yes. Okay. What's a detail about the little boy from the story? What's something he likes?
He likes dragons.
He likes dragons. That's right. So something the little boy likes, a detail about the little boy, is he likes dragons. Okay. What if I did a detail about me? So the little boy likes dragons, right? He hearts dragons. What's a detail about me?
You like Disney.
I do like Disney. Heart Disney. I heart Disney.
Same for me.
I love Disney. That's true. I have a Disney calendar. I have a Minnie Mouse backpack.
Me too.
Yep. So that's something about me. What else about the little boy? Let's look at his room. What's something else the little boy likes? Details about the little boy. What else? Or what's something he has, sorry. Whew.
Dog.
Riley, what do you think, girlie?
He loves dragons.
He does love dragons, that's correct. You can tell from all the different dragons around his room. Good. What else? Zoe.
He likes to read.
He likes to read. How do you know he likes to read?
He has
You don't have to count them.
like 100 books.
He has a ton of books. Yeah.
100.
Oh, yeah, 100 books. He loves to read. Okay, what else about me? Do I love to read? I do love to read. I love to read children's books. I love to read adult books. I love to read books for knowledge. Like I just started this book. I'm about halfway through it. This is a book for knowledge. I read all kinds of those books just because, you know, I like to learn. So I also love to read. So that's something that we have in common or something that's the same, right? What else about the boy? What does he have? Or just looking at his room. What do you think?
He likes dogs.
What do you think, Gage?
Well, he has extra socks.
He has extra socks.
Look in his bottom drawer.
Oh yeah, he has too many socks. So he must really like socks because they're busting out of the drawer. Love it. He has lots of socks. Gage, do you have lots of socks? Do you have lots of socks? Huh.
Probably more than 20.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of socks.
Way more than 20.
Okay, now he has a picture, I don't know if you can see it, but he has a picture of his dog, and then he has a pet dog. So I would say he loves his pet dog, right? He loves his pet dog. Okay. What is something about Mrs. Cooper's room? What's something else I really like?
You have a dog.
I do have a dog. I love my dog too. I love Go-Go. That's right. But what's something else in my room? What do you notice about it?
You love teaching.
I do love teaching. That is something I do. But what about my room? It's nice and...
Quiet.
Clean.
Clean.
I'm not going to lie. This is where virtual teaching doesn't truly show what I like. I like a noisy classroom. Because I think when a classroom is more noisy, that means the students are actively engaged in learning. Isn't that crazy? I like a room that's chaotic. Because I think then kids are learning the most. It's like controlled chaos. That's how I like to call it. Okay. I would say you probably can't tell a ton because this is my office at home, but if you ever saw my classroom, it's super colorful. So I love having lots of color. So I'm very colorful. I love the rainbow. I like to decorate with the rainbow often. We love the rainbow. So those are just some details about the boy. Did you notice that his bed kind of looks like a castle? Like he's a prince fighting off dragons. Or having dragons for pets, and he has this giant dragon poster. Now, is his bedroom the same as your bedroom? No. Are there things that could be similar in his bedroom that's also in your bedroom? Yes, they could. So kind of like we did today with the boys' room and then kind of myself, you're going to draw a picture of your bedroom and the boys' bedroom. And then you're just going to tell me how they're the same and how they're different. You're just comparing and contrasting. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, if you don't have anything in common, let me know. Okay? That's okay. One thing that could be in common is you both have bedrooms. Right? Yeah, you both have bedrooms. Zoe, question girl, you're looking rather worried.
I can't draw my bedroom.
Do the best you can. I can't draw my bedroom either.
It's messy.
Well, draw it clean.
That's too hard.
You got it, girl. Just show me oh, did you guys ever do one of these? Hold on. I'll show you.
Guess what? Can I take a picture of my bedroom?
No, because it says to draw a picture of your room. But have you ever done a bird's eye view of your room? So you could do something like this, where say, okay, so if I was doing a bird's eye view of my bedroom.
This is Zoe.
This is our bed. These are our nightstands. We have a big long dresser here. Here's Gogo's bed number 1. Here's Gogo's bed number 2 because he's spoiled. Here's a closet. And then here's a door to the bathroom. So it's like if I was Velcroed to the ceiling looking down on my classroom. Or looking down on my bedroom.
Oh, so you don't have to put detail in it?
I mean, because when you're going to do your detail more is whenever you're going to describe it to me. So don't worry so much about the picture, okay? You can do something just like that, where this is and you could label it, bed, rug, dresser, nightstand, N for nightstand, nightstand, rug. See? Easy peasy. Don't worry about it too much. Any other questions? Gage, go for it, dude.